Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you the topic problem solving skills for the teaching of projects. Students, the problem solving skills help you to determine the source of a problem and find an effective solution. Although problem solving is often identified as its own separate skill, there are other related skills that contribute to the ability this these are as active listening, analysis, research, creativity, communication, dependability, decision making, and team building. The problem solving skills are important in every career at every level. As a result, effective problem solving may also require industry or job specific techniques. For example, a registered nurse will be need active listening and communication skills when interacting with patients, but we will also need effective technical knowledge related to disease and medication. So in any case, many cases, a nurse will need to know when to consult a doctor regarding a patient's medical needs as part of the solution. Now here are some examples of problem solving skills like first, research. Researching is an essential skill related to problem solving. As a problem solver, you need to be able to identify the cause of the issue and understanding it fully. You can begin to gather more information about a problem by brainstorming with other team members, consulting more experienced colleagues, or acquiring knowledge through online research or the courses. Next, come to the analysis. The first step to solving any problem to analyze the situation. Your analytic skill will help you understand problem and effectively develop solution. You will also need analytical skills during research to help distinguish between effective and the ineffective solutions. Next example is the decision making. Ultimately, you will need to make a decision about how to solve problems that arise. At times, you may be able to make a decision quickly. Solid research and analytical skills can help those who have less experience in their field. There may also be times when it is appropriate to take some time to craft a solution or illustrate the issue to someone more capable of solving it. Next example is the communication. When identify possible solutions, we will need to how know how to communicate the problem to others. We will also need to know what communication channels are the most appropriate when seeking assistance. Once find a solution, communicating it clearly with will help reduce any confusion and making implementing a solution easier. Now dependability is the next. So dependability is one of the most important skills for problem solvers. Solving problem in a time manner is essential. Employer highly valued individuals they can trust to both identify and then implement solution as fast as effective as possible. Now, how to improve our problem solving skills? There are several methods we can use to improve our problem solving skills, whether we are searching for a job or currently working. Improving our problem solving skills and social abilities will help make our make us a strong candidate. Like acquire more technical knowledge in our field. Depending on your on industries, it may be easier to solve problem it if you have any strong working technical knowledge. You can more technical knowledge through additional coursework, training, or practice. Next is seek out opportunities to problem solve by putting ourselves into a situation. We are more likely to be exposed to opportunities to problem solve. We may also find there are opportunities to volunteer for new projects in our current role on another team or outside the workplace or another for the organization other organization. Next is do practice problem. Practice and role play can be useful tool when we learning to develop our problem solving skills. We may find the professional practice books for our industry and problem solving scenarios online. So we also solve the problem and determine if we have potential solution for it. And next, observe how other problem solve. we may also have, if we have colleagues who are skilled problem solvers, observing how those colleagues solve problems. So by this way we can also can help the our problem solving solution. If possible, ask of you more experienced colleagues. If you can observe their technique, asking relevant questions can be helpful in applying them in own career. So students, these are the some problem solving examples and how to improve. Now we have some other information regarding this. Then from the problem solving, we should first uh, recognize the system, known and concepts, and then understand their units and symbols, then criteria of success, and then plan a solution, and then carry out the plan, look back. So these are some points by which we can also improve in our problem solving skills. Thank you.